Hi and welcome back to another Tech Minds video. Now in this video we'll take a look at VEGA, and I don't mean the star that's 25 light years away. I'm talking about this, a variable gain amplifier designed and manufactured by North American based Nooelec. Now Nooelec have been a big player in the SDR and associated module market for a number of years and always get my respect at their quality products. Now this device, the VEGA for short, is an ultra-low noise gain amplifier for RF and SDR projects. It's highly linear and has an extremely wide bandwidth, covering from 30 MHz up to 4 GHz. Now the VEGA also comes with a little 3-digit segment display showing the current gain level, which makes it nice and easy to recall previously set gain values when performing lab-style tests. The VEGA has a maximum gain of 46 dB, and this can be set either using the analog rotary control or by using the digital preset push buttons. Now the red button shown here switches between digital and analog gain control. With the red button pushed in, the digital push buttons become active and the rotary control is taken out of circuit. Now each digital push button has a different value, and pushing more than one in will increase the gain. Consequently, the gain value will be shown on that little 3-digit segment display. Powering the VEGA is relatively easy, and you have 3 choices. You can either power the VEGA from a bias T output from your SDR receiver, assuming your SDR receiver can output the required 4 to 5.5 volts. You can also use a direct USB cable plugged into the onboard USB socket, or you can simply supply power input to that little 2-pin header located on the board. Of course, you should only use one power option at a time. Using more than one could damage both the VEGA and the power sources. Now where you install the VEGA is entirely up to you. You could install it at the antenna end to help with lossy coax, or you could install it directly onto the SDR like this. Of course, installing it at the SDR end will also amplify noise due to its wide bandwidth, so if possible, more towards the antenna would be more beneficial. However, in this demonstration, I'll connect it up like this. And the antenna connected is my tri-band VHF and UHF antenna that I use for ham radio, and that's mounted above the roof, so I have no chance of getting the VEGA up there. Now the usage demonstration I'll show you will be with the FM broadcast band. Now I'm tuned to a station which is pretty weak without any SDR or AGC gain set, and we'll try to amplify the incoming station so that we can hear it without any hiss. Now listen to the hiss disappear and watch the display as I turn up the VEGA's gain control.
Sequin hardtop on the floor before I see her. She has her back to Veer, and he has his hand down her trousers and his face buried into her neck. I don't remember how we got outside, but I vaguely remember people watching us as I dragged them through the kitchen into the back garden. I felt like a pure hero. I was saving them all, and once Vera was kicked into touch, I'd return to drinks, hugs from the girls, and pats on the back from the lads. Well done, mate, needed doing. And I shoved Vera off the decking and I'm kicking him.
So from that test, it appears to work well, but there are 1,000,001 tests I could have performed to show how well or not the VEGA works. The specification sheet for the VEGA, which is available on the Nooelec website, has some rather interesting graphs, which will be useful if you're looking for something like this for a particular frequency. Now covering from 30 MHz up to 4 GHz, you will see some differences in the gain levels, and this gain versus VC chart shows what performance to expect. Now the maximum gain chart also provides some useful information if you're planning on purchasing one of these. Now I think overall the VEGA is a good all-round low noise amplifier, but if you're looking for one particular frequency, then I would suggest investing in a Sawbird filter with a built-in LNA for the frequency of your choice instead. Now luckily Nooelec also make these for like 2 meters, the NOAA satellites Inmarsat, Iridium and the Weather Satellite GOES, plus a few others, so go check them out on the Nooelec website. Now guys, hope you enjoyed the video, hope it's shown you something interesting that you may not have seen before. Until the next video, stay safe, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.